Hey everyone! Welcome back to another Framer video. I am Athanasia and today we're going to see something special, my first public package for Framer. I have created a solution for downloading chat messages from live YouTube videos and making them available to display back in the stream. Lately, I've been focused on creating high-quality streaming content that is easy for people to follow. There were times I needed to answer comments on the fly. This led to some mistakes, like mumbling while reading, and it was also difficult for some people, if they were newcomers, to follow the conversation right away. It struck me that now, more people than ever needed solutions for live video interactions.
So, what was the problem with existing solutions? There are professional suites that handle live data, but they cost a lot and are quite often an overkill for a casual streamer. From the cheaper and free solutions, I found out a few solid tools. H2R Graphics from John Barker has a chat overlay tool, among others, packed in a desktop application. The design customization needs CSS coding in small windows and was not very intuitive for me. Live Chat Overlay Chrome extension from Aaron Parecki is a hack that fetches data from an existing live chat window, but it's not built to be quicked easily. I wanted the best of both worlds, while being able to quickly change the comment design, so I decided to build my own solution. But what does Framer have to do with it? Framer is a top-of-the-line design and prototyping tool. You know, a recent study shows that 70% of companies are investing more in interactive prototyping for interfaces of all sizes. Giving someone an experience that looks, feels, and behaves like a real product is the way of the future, and Framer makes it very easy to create interactive prototypes using real data. I use this to my advantage to build a public package anyone can use, and I'm going to walk you through the entire setup. Just a couple of things to take care of before we start. First, you need an API key from Google. Use your Google account to sign in to consoledevelopersgoogle.com. Once signed in, select a project and name it whatever you want. From the APIs and services, search for YouTube Data and enable YouTube Data API version 3. Create new credentials. If everything went well, you will get your unique API key. You're going to use the same key every time you use the Framer package, so don't share it with anyone. And second, you need to create a live streaming. Go to YouTube and click Go Live. For the live chat to work, the live stream will have to either be unlisted or public. The rest of the settings are not important right now, just click Next. Type in a few comments in the chat so that we have some messages we can work with. Even though we are not live yet, we do have a URL we can use later. Moving on to Framer. Framer's web version comes with a free plan that has limited features. I'm going to use this so that everyone can follow along. Create a new file and select Community Packages. Search for YouTube Live Chat Overlay and the package will show up. Install it, and all the tools will be available for you to set up your common stream. Pick the dashboard from the component list and drag it in the canvas. Also pick the list item and the live message and drag them just outside the dashboard. Select the streamable layer and connect it to the message, and then connect the chat to the list item. Looking at the properties of the chat component, we find a few inputs. First is the YouTube ID of your live stream. This can be found in the URL of the live stream we started earlier. Next is the API key you got from Google. And after that, the interval in milliseconds before the comment feed refreshes in the preview. Make sure you have the show code option to always and create a new override file for the list item. Select list item from the drop-down and proceed to bind the rest of the components to the corresponding override names. Now, having selected the dashboard frame, run the preview. There is a scrollable area that contains all the live comments. By clicking on one, it changes color so that you know you have already shown it. The comment appears in the lower third, which will be the streamable area. If you click on another comment, It replaces the previous one, and if you want to hide the comment overlay, click on the Clear button. Framer's preview can open in a Chrome tab, which you can then cast to a separate screen wirelessly and use it from a different device, just like Chat Overlay Chrome extension from Aaron Parecki. This is the functionality of the component, which you have set up in just 2 minutes. What makes it extra special is the ease of customization. Since Framer is a design tool, you can visually customize the entire design to fit your taste or branding. For example, you can set the color of the background to green if you intend to use chroma key instead of a luma key. You can alter the appearance of the list comment if, say, you need bigger text. And of course, you can change the design of the streamable content to fit your needs. Keep in mind that I'm not primarily a developer, but making this tool was a breeze.
Framer made it easy for me to upskill in just hours, not days. It has easy onboarding and design-as-you-go tutorials that teach you how to use powerful insertable components, create custom animations and transitions, and even make a full prototype for any screen size in a matter of minutes. So if you feel ready to take your skills to the next level, sign up for free or get 20% off any plan by visiting framer.com/Athanasia. That's framer.com/Athanasia. This package is an ongoing project. I will maintain and update this component over time, and if you want me to change anything or have a suggestion, leave a comment below. If you're unsure how to use the outcome in your streams, follow this tutorial from the link in your screen and see it in action. That's all for me today. If you like this video, hit the like button, or even better, subscribe to see future videos. Keep creating and take care. Bye-bye.